Hi, I'm Rob from American Hardbag, and today I'm going to show you a simple wire management trick that'll make life a lot easier for you when you go to install a new sound system in your Harley bagger. The wire management trick that I have for you today is to simply remove the factory Harley fairing harness before you start installing your audio gear. Harley was smart enough to make the entire fairing section of the bike's wire harness modular, so you can simply disconnect it and get a lot of wiring out of your way while you're installing your new gear. Then you can reinstall the fairing harness as one of the last things that you do at the tail end of your installation. The bike I'm working on today is a 2019 Road Glide. The fairing harness on a Street Glide or Electra Glide is nearly identical, but 2013 and earlier bikes do not have a fairing harness that can easily be removed like this. Having said that, the same lesson still applies. Take the time to clear out the fairing before you start cramming new gear in place. Now let's back up here for just a minute and cover something that I missed. The fairing harness is mounted to the bike using several zip tie mounts that have 1/4-inch barbed push pins. Instead of prying out each and every one of them, I like to cut the zip ties in half and then snip them flush. Make sure that you use flush cutters and not dikes. Then, when it's time to put the harness back in place, you can thread new zip ties through the head of the old zip tie mounts. It ends up looking and functioning just like the original factory setup. And now you have a nice clean space to start building your system on. Look at that, isn't that nice? Whether you're building a new system or just need the very best parts, visit AmericanHardbag.com to find all the parts that you'll need for your next Harley audio system. All parts sold at AmericanHardbag.com are well documented, guaranteed to fit, and selected specifically for Harley performance. If you're looking for the very best in Harley audio, look no further than AmericanHardbag.com.